This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about serving bowls, specifically these Acacia serving bowls. And we have the 140-ounce round natural Acacia serving bowl. It's a 10-inch diameter, and it's got 5 inches in height. It's finished with these lovely bark edges, and it also features a food-grade varnish. These bowls are also available in a 30-ounce medium size and a small 10-ounce size as well. It's the perfect, elegant yet rustic touch to your table settings or buffets. It's a durable, long-lasting bowl that's made from 100% natural acacia wood and features that lovely natural bark exterior while also having that beautiful, warm wood grain finish to the rims and outsides. It's perfect for serving things like salads, snacks, chips, even appetizers and desserts, and a variety of other dishes. It pairs effortlessly with other wood serving pieces, but also works well with porcelain or fancier metallic pieces as well, making it a really versatile item to add to your table settings and buffet setups. They're built to stand up to commercial use in restaurants, hotels, by caterers, bakeries, and party planners, but they're also fantastic for using while entertaining at home.